Hey, what's up, you guys? Hey, it's Southern Smoke Boss back at it again today. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my homemade strawberry banana pudding. So I'm gonna show you the key ingredients that I have here. So, I got the Nilla wafers. I'm gonna be using the recipe off the back of this box. I'm gonna just be adding strawberries to it. So if you in the store, just check it out and you can have the recipe. So I got my bananas, of course. I got some strawberries. I have 2 cups of canned milk, but you can use whole milk, it's okay, whatever milk you prefer to use. So I got 3/4 of sugar. I got it separated for a reason. The recipe calls for it to be different portions. And I got a 1/3 cup of flour. I got some pure vanilla extract. And I got my yolk and my egg white. I do not have a double boiler pot. So what I'm gonna use is a pot, and I'm gonna place a bowl inside of the pot, you guys. So let me go over and show you what I'm gonna be using for this. Okay, so I'm gonna just start off by adding the flour, the 1/3 cup of flour in. The 1/2 cup of sugar. Excuse me. So this is something that you constantly gotta stir. So I'm gonna go ahead and start stirring as I'm adding my milk in. So now I'm gonna come and add in my 3 egg yolks. And another reason why you don't want the egg to turn into no scrambled egg. That's another reason, I'm pretty sure, why you gotta keep just stirring. So you guys just sit back tight, and I'm gonna just keep stirring this up. Okay, so I'm gonna add in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You can see the consistency that is thickening up now. You can see how thick the pudding has got. So we're gonna go ahead and drizzle some across the bottom of our glass dish so it doesn't stick.
Next level. Next level.
Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and make up our meringue. I'm gonna place that to the side. So I got 3 eggs right here. This is how we're gonna make our meringue. Plus I have some white sugar. So I'm gonna start beating it before. Now that our meringue has got nice and stiff, we're gonna go ahead and put that over top of our banana pudding. I already have my oven preheated, baked on 350, so we can go ahead and gear it and slide it in there for about 10-15 minutes, just until we get a light brown. Let's go ahead and give it a slide in the oven for about 10-15 minutes till we get a slight brown on there. Stay tuned, you guys. So as you can see, it has that nice brown, light brown that I was telling you guys about. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here so it can cool.
Next level.
So, hey, if you're new to my channel, hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become part of this family right here that we know built together. Hey, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.